Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on changing the filter and cyclonic separator on your Dyson SV12 vacuum cleaner. Maintaining your vacuum is essential for its performance, and today we will guide you through the process step by step. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. You may also want to have a replacement filter and cyclonic separator on hand, which can be purchased from authorized retailers. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely off before proceeding. Next, locate the filter, which is typically found at the top of the vacuum. To remove it, simply twist it counterclockwise and pull it out gently. If you notice any dust or debris, use your soft cloth to clean the area around the filter housing. Now, let's focus on the cyclonic separator. To access it, you will need to remove the bin. Press the bin release button and carefully lift the bin away from the main body of the vacuum. Once removed, you will see the cyclonic separator inside. It's crucial to clean this component regularly to maintain suction power. Using your flathead screwdriver, gently pry open the separator. Be cautious not to damage any of the components. Once opened, you can tap it lightly to dislodge any dust particles. If the separator appears damaged or excessively dirty, consider replacing it. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so if you're unsure, don't hesitate to reach out. After cleaning or replacing the separator, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Start by placing the cyclonic separator back into the bin. Ensure it fits snugly before securing it with the flathead screwdriver. Next, reattach the bin to the main body of the vacuum. You should hear a click when it's properly secured. Now, let's reinstall the filter. Align it with the housing and twist it clockwise until it locks into place. It's essential to ensure that the filter is seated correctly to avoid any performance issues. Before you test your vacuum, take a moment to clean the exterior. A clean vacuum not only looks better, but also performs better. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the surfaces, ensuring there's no dust left behind. Finally, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and turn it on. Check for any unusual sounds or loss of suction. If everything seems in order, congratulations! You've successfully changed the filter and cyclonic separator. If this seems too tricky, remember, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to keep your vacuum in top condition. And don't forget, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Regular maintenance of your Dyson SV12 will prolong its life and enhance its performance. Thank you for following this tutorial and happy cleaning. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.